Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Miro.com, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Miro account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for Miro anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like I am, you know that you probably work with a lot of different VAs and assistants, and to manage all the projects, to make sure some of the projects don't go under the rug, Miro is a popular way to organize all that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in Miro.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up the website, and in order to sign up for Miro.com and create an account, here on the homepage, you want to go ahead and click on sign up for free, either here in the middle. If you don't see it there, it should be here on the top right. Okay, so once you click there, you will need to enter in your email address, or you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, or Slack. For me, I'm going to go ahead and enter my email address and then click on continue with email. Okay, next, in order to create your Miro account, they do ask your name. So go ahead and type it in here and then click continue. Right now you need to designate a password for your Miro account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in and click continue. Okay, next, Miro sent me a confirmation email with a 6-digit code. So I'm going to grab that and paste it in here. Okay, I got the code. I'm going to type it in here. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, next, Miro is going to ask you a few questions in order to create your account. So now they're asking, what's the name of my team? So let me go ahead and put my name of my channel. Okay, what kind of work do you do? Let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and put marketing. And what's my role? All right, now they're asking me if I've ever used Miro before. So let me go ahead and just say no. And company size. All right, next I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now if you want to invite your virtual assistant or your coworkers, you can go ahead and copy this link and text it to them, or you can just simply enter their email in here. For me, I'm gonna go ahead and skip that. Okay, next you can go ahead and start setting up with these various templates, or if you want to start from scratch, like what I'm gonna do, you click right here, start from scratch. Okay, next Miro is going to ask if you want to implement any of these templates. So they're going to give you a couple of suggestions. So you can go ahead and use those, or just go ahead and close it out. Okay, next it brings you here to the workboard. So you can go ahead and start setting up your workspace and designing your workboard. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create and sign up for a Miro account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.